naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Pinastos pa nila ako.
For detention and the basis of detention.
And that's the smoking gun ng proceeds of the illegal.
You're a law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP.
So, eto yung argumento nila 'no, na kasi at the committee level, yung allegation ng mga, ah, yung mga complainant, the evaluation was too strict at a stage where only the legal adequacy of allegations should be tested, hindi yung truth. Kaya pabalik-balik si Leila de Lima, 'di ba, na what we are trying to do is if the facts, the complainant the complainant is alleging facts which, if assumed true, constitute kung i-assume daw na true, and if you can connect these allegations, kung true yun, at mako-connect yun sa constitutional grounds, dapat kasi hindi pa daw, this is not the stage at which you are supposed to determine guilt. Kung mako-connect mo lang yung allegation to a constitutional ground, you are supposed to say there is substance, sufficient in substance. So, ang nangyari kasi with the PPPM case is that feeling lang nila na there was parang too strict ang ginawa ng Committee on Justice na compared to I think what they did yung mga nagrereklamo compared to the previous cases kila Corona, GMA, ERAP, lumusod kasi lahat na hindi na winay ang mga ebidensya based on talaga bang can this prove na may weight ba ang evidence? That is what they're saying. Based on tama ang Committee on Justice in terms legally, talaga ang Committee on Justice. Pero kung evidentiary evaluation historically are not part of the sufficiency in substance test. Kaya sinasabi mga kritiko na premature ang pagkaka-dismiss. But that
Yes,
being said,
and would you think po, ma'am, this is also another thing that we can say that probably might be the reason why may certain discontent nung lumabas yung court ruling ng Supreme Court. Nagkaroon ng sabi nila parang judicial overreach. Kasi pinakailaman nila ang rule ng Kongreso na parang ang sabi sa isang form of retaliation because pinakailaman niyo yung rules namin. So gagawa kami ng paraan para tuluyan na namin 'tong complaint na 'to, mamatay dito pa lang sa komite.
so sabi nila na judicial overreach was meant to help VP Sara for the future kasi para sa Justice Committee at that point they can shut it down right there. However, looking on the bright side daw, hindi na ito part ng dinidiscuss natin, but on the bright side, we will digress a little bit On the bright side, sabi ni Sentry, this is actually going to help us because if you're going to look at the evidence at this stage now, then we're going to be able to look at the bank accounts that we've been mentioning from the beginning kasi gusto nyo palang tignan kung may weight even at the Justice Committee stage. So, which is what they did with PBBM na yung mga complaints against PBBM, yun na ang ginawa nila, which is not what they used to do. So, kasalanan din ito ng Supreme Court in their efforts to shield VP Sara, natulungan nila si PBBM. I don't know if
Mm.
that was meant to ano.